Hi students, good morning to all of you. Today we start the last portion of rational number, that is word problems. First, question number 3. A basket contains 3 types of fruit. First type apple, second type orange, and third type pears. Total weight of 3 fruits is given. Weight of apple also given and weight of orange given. So we have to find the weight of pears. So if we add the weight of apple and orange, and next we subtract the total weight of orange and apple from total weight, then we get the weight of pears. So weight of 3 types of fruit, total weight of 3 types of fruit is equal to 58 upon 3 kg. Weight of apple is equal to 73 upon 9 kg. Weight of orange is equal to 19 upon 6 kg. So total weight of apples and oranges is equal to sum of these two, 73 upon 9 plus 19 upon 6 kg is equal to LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. So 18 divides 9 to 73 into 2 plus 19 into 18 divides 6, 3 kg is equal to weight of pears equal to total weight 58 upon 3 kg minus weight of apple and pears, orange kg is equal to LCM of 3 and 18 is 18. So 18 divides 3, we get 6. So 58 into 6 minus 2 is to 3 kg. So weight of pears is equal to 8 whole 1 upon 8 kg. Question number 6. A car is moving at average speed of 60 whole 2 upon 3 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 6 whole 1 upon 4 hours? So here speed of the car is given, that is 60 whole 2 upon 5 kilometer per hour is equal to 302 upon 5 kilometer per hour. Also time is given, time is equal to 6 whole 1 by 4 hours, that is 25 upon 4 hours. So we have to find distance covered by the car distance covered by the car in 6 or 1 by 4 hours equal to, we know that distance equal to speed into time. So speed is equal to 302 upon 5 into time equal to 25 upon 4 kilometers. 5, 25, 4, 7, 28, 2, 4. So 151 upon 2 kilometers. 151 into 5 upon 2 kilometers. That is equal to, we convert this into instruction. Cost of 1 liter petrol is given. We have to find cost of 34 liter petrol. So more petrol, more price, more cost. So in this question, it is clear that we have to multiply cost of 1 liter petrol by 34. Cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to 255 upon 4 rupees. Then cost of 34 liter petrol is equal to rupees 255 upon 4 is multiplied by 34. So 224, 270, 34 is equal to rupees 255 upon 70 by 2 rupees is equal to 3825 upon 2 rupees is equal to rupees 1911 upon 1. A length of cord is given. We have to divide this cord into 26 equal pieces. If we divide the cord into 26 equal pieces, then what will be the length of each pieces? From the given question, it is clear that we have to divide the total length by the total number of pieces. Then we get length of each pieces. So length of each piece is equal to total length 71 upon 1 by 2 meter divides number of pieces 26 is equal to 26 meter. So we write 26 divided 2 form 143 upon 2. According to the rules of division, 143 upon 2 multiplied by the multiplicative inverse of 26, that is 1 upon 26 is equal to 13 to 26, 13 1, 13 carry 1, 1. So 11 upon 2 into 2, 4 meter is equal to 2 whole 3 upon 4 meter. Total number of girls in a school is 240 and 5 by 8 of total students are boys. So we have to find the total number of boys in the school. Here total number of students in the school are not given. So we consider the total number of students in a school is x. So number of boys is equal to 5 upon 8 or total student, that is 5 upon 8 into total student is equal to x is equal to 5x upon 8. And number of girls is equal to 240, which is given. So total student is equal to boys plus girls, that is 5x upon 8 plus girls. Also we assume that the total student is x. So x is equal to 5x upon 8 plus 240. So x minus 5 of x by 8 is equal to 240. 8x minus 5x upon 8 is equal to 240. 3x upon 8 is equal to 240. X equal to 240 divides 3 upon 8, that is 240 multiplied by 8 upon 3, 640. So total number of students is 640. So number of boys is equal to total student minus girls A girl, Rita, she had 300 rupees, and she go to market and buy some notebooks with 1/3 of total money. And after buying notebooks, she buy some stationery items with 1/4 of remaining money, and we have to find how much money is left with her. So Rita had 300 rupees. Amount of money spent on notebook is equal to 1/3 of total money, that is 300. So 300 into 3, 100 rupees. So to buy notebook, she spent 100 rupees. So how many rupees left after spending notebook? Total rupees minus 100 rupees is equal to 200 rupees. So amount of money spent on stationery item is equal to 1/4 of remainder. Which is remainder? 200 is remainder. So 1/4 into rupees 200, that is 50 rupees. So to purchase stationery item, she spent 50 rupees. So she spent 100 rupees to purchase notebooks and 50 rupees to purchase stationery item. So total she spent 100 plus 50, 150. And how much rupees left with her? 150. 3 upon 5 of a number exceeds 2 upon 7 by 44. That means 3 by 5 parts of a number is greater than 2 by 7 parts. By how much? By 44. So we have to find what is the number. So we consider the number, let the number is x. So 3 upon 5 of x is equal to 3x upon 5, and 2 upon 7 of x is equal to 2x upon 7. So this part is greater than this part by how much? 44. So according to question, 3x upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 2x upon 7 by 44. LCM of 3, 5 and 7 is 35. So 3x multiplied by 35 by 5, 7 minus 2x is multiplied by 35 divided 7, 5. 21x minus 10x is equal to 44. 21x minus 10x, 11x upon 35 is equal to 44. So x is equal to 44 divided by 11 upon 35. 44 is multiplied 35 upon 11. Hence the required number is 140. In a cricket test match, 2/7 of the total spectators were in covered place and 15,000 were in open place. So we have to find how many total number of spectators. So let us consider total number of spectators is x. Number of spectators were in covered place is equal to 2/7 of total spectators, that is 2x by 7. Number of spectators were in open place is equal to 15,000, which is given, and total number of spectators is equal to 2x upon 7 plus covered place plus open place, or according to our assumption, total number of spectators is x. So x is equal to 2x upon 7 plus 1 by x minus 2x upon 7 is equal to 1 by 0, 7x minus 2x, 5x upon 7 is equal to 15,000. So x is equal to 15,000 divides 5 upon 7 is equal to 15,000 multiplied by 7 upon 5. 7,321. So hence total number of spectators is 21,000.